Welcome back, and here in this video we are going with the if control statement used in C. This is one kind of the control statement that is used to control the flow of the program. So first of all, we need to understand the if control statement. If we say that if statement is simply a set of operation which would be used to compare the expression. So we must have to write the expression and we have to compare that expression, and on the basis of that we have to write some set of code according on the basis of that expression. So these generally have the two values of left hand side and the right hand side. So we have to make the comparison between the left hand side value and the right hand side value. After the comparison, the value returned by this statement is of type Boolean. So means it will return either true or false. So here we have to understand the syntax of the if statement. So here we have to write the if, then we in the parenthesis we have to write the expression that we wanted to evaluate. Now after that, within the curly brackets, so this is what called as the body of the if, and that has to be written within these curly bracket. And here we have to write the set of instruction that need to be executed when this expression is get evaluated. So the body of the if is only get executed in the case when the expression evaluated and result returned by the evaluation is of Boolean type true. So only then this instruction will get executed. Other in case it will doesn't make any effect to the program. So now let's move to our ID to how to write if statement in C program. So now here we have opened our ID and I have saved this program with the name of if.c, and here I have written certain code before the explanation of this video, that is a comment entry, then inclusion of header file and declaration of a main function. So this is just to save our time, and here what I'm doing, I'm going to declare a variable, say int type, and the name I'm giving to the variable, say variable a. So now I'm displaying a message for the user to enter a number. So here I'm writing the code for that. Enter a number using printf function, and I'm using backslash tab sequence, and at the end I have to put the semicolon to terminate the sentence. Now I have to read this function to the variable a. So for that I'm using scanf function, and the format of the variable a is integer, so I am putting %d, then comma, and then a % as the address operator, and the value has to be assigned to the variable a, so I am using a %a. Now here I am going to make the decision here. If I am writing here, now I have to write the expression here. See, here I am writing a greater than 100. Okay. So my decision I am making here, if the value of a is greater than 100, so here I have to write the if body. So here I am just displaying a message, say printf you have entered number equal to, then this number has to be displayed in the integer format, and this is greater than 100. Okay, at the end put the semicolon here to terminate the sentence. So what we have done, we have written the if statement in our program, and according to this decision we just wanted to execute the program. So after that we have to save the program changes and go to execute menu, choose compile and run. So here our program is compiled without any error. So here I'm writing a number, say 115 I have written here. So entering here, it is showing you have entered number. So this is displaying something error, just because of the reason we might have made some mistake in our program coding. So let's see what has done. This is just in the error, this error message here. So we have to check for this. We have not given the reference of the variable whose value should be displayed over here. So we have to simply put comma here, and here we have to give the name of the variable whose value we would like to display here. So save the changes once again and go to execute menu, then choose compile and run, and this time I am entering the value 115. So you have entered the number equal to 115 and this is greater than 100. Now this code has been displayed, or this code has been executed just because of the reason the condition turned out to be true. Here we see, if we see at this point, we have put the condition a greater than 100. So whatever the value we enter to the variable a, it should be greater than 100, then it will display this message. Now what happen if we enter the value less than 100? So let's check out the program once again. So for this we have to execute, go to execute and just click on the run option here. Here this time I'm entering value 12 and nothing is going to be happen. So the body of if will get executed only in the condition if the result of this evaluation is true. So this time the result of this evaluation is false, so nothing is displayed over here, or nothing has happened over here. So how to overcome this situation, that we will learn in the coming video, that is using if and else statement. So that's all for now. See you soon